Hello everyone, hope you're having an amazing day. Welcome to Curry Bites. Today I'm going to show you how to make a version of Aviyal which will be the perfect side dish for adai dosa or any multigrain dosa. So without wasting any time, let's dive right into the video. In a mixie jar, take a handful of coconut or a cup of coconut, half a teaspoon cumin seeds, little bit of curry leaves, 5 shallots and a green chilli. Grind this to a coarse paste. In a kadai, add in enough vegetables to serve 4 people. You can take 2 cups of vegetables. I have chosen country vegetables like drumsticks, avaraka, brinjal and plantains. Add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil and a cup of water. Mix everything well now. Once bubbles starts to appear, cover the kadai with the lid and cook for 15 minutes or till the water evaporates. It's been 15 minutes now and you can see the vegetables are perfectly cooked and the water has started to evaporate. Since I'm using it for adai dosa, I have let it a bit runny, but if you are having this Aviyal for rice, then wait till the water dries up. Now add in the ground coconut paste. Mix everything well. Cook this for about 2 minutes. Do not let the coconut overcook. It's been 2 minutes now and the vegetables are perfectly cooked. Now to this mixture, add quarter cup of yogurt. Mix everything well, serve and enjoy. Hope you find this video useful. Kindly subscribe to our channel for more future videos. Thank you for watching.